What's up, it's Simplify Technology. In this tutorial I'll show you how to post video and photos in your Threads account. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and consider like to the video. Open the Threads app, tap on the paperclip icon. Choose whether you want to upload a photo or video from your device's gallery. Select the desired media file. Once you added the photo or video, you can start typing a comment or description for it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option Anyone can replay. You can tap on it to change the replay settings to profile you follow or mention only. If you want to limit who can comment or interact with your post, write your comment and next tap on the post button to share your photo or video on Threads. I hope it helped. Please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. See you next time.